During the winter months at Highland Hill Farm, we take some equipment that needs to be repaired and we bring it into our workshop and we start to repair it. In this video, I'm showing you some work we're doing on the rims of a 1953 Massey Harris pony tractor that it was actually sitting underneath one of our barns for over 30 years. This year, Mike and Tim are working on the restoration of this tractor. In this video, you will see how we are wire brushing the rims to clean them up before we put them back on the tractor.
Hi, today we're working on the rim from that little tractor that we had discussed earlier. We removed them all because they were leaking, especially the rear wheels, because they did have fluid in it, and fluid totally destroys steel in a matter of time. So we had to hire someone to remove the tires. Now we're going to totally sand them down, prime them, and paint them, and remount them again without fluid this time.
If you'd like to come visit our tree farm in Bucks County, we have lots of interesting things to show you besides the 1953 Massey Harris pony tractor. We actually have places where you can go look for dinosaur bones. We have places for fossils, for minerals. We allow bird watching. We have a hunter access program. And of course, we have thousands of trees that you can select from to improve your landscape. And we do deliver and plant for you. Give us a call at Highland Hill Farm. Our phone number is 215-651-8329.